150 sentences for beginners. You and I dance at the party. Negative. You and I don't dance at the party. Yes/no question. Do you and I dance at the party? WH question. Where do you and I dance? Tag question. You and I dance at the party, don't we? The city is busy. Negative. The city isn't busy. Yes/no question. Is the city busy? WH question. How is the city? Tag question. The city is busy, isn't it? You and I clean my room. Negative. You and I don't clean my room. Yes/no question. Do you and I clean my room? WH question. What do you and I clean? Tag question. You and I clean my room, don't we? Susan loves to read. Negative. Susan doesn't love to read. Yes/no question. Does Susan love to read? WH question. What does Susan love? Tag question. Susan loves to read, doesn't she? Tom fixes the car. Negative. Tom doesn't fix the car. Yes/no question. Does Tom fix the car? WH question. Who fixes the car? Tag question. Tom fixes the car, doesn't he?